In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track hashtags on Hootsuite in our full 2025 tutorial. Whether you're a social media manager looking to get the most out of your hashtag strategy or just starting to navigate the waters of social media marketing, today's session will guide you through every step. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access Hootsuite. So head over to the website or launch the Hootsuite app on your device. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Hootsuite dashboard. The dashboard is your control center for everything hashtag related. Now locate the Streams tab in the left-hand menu. Streams are incredibly useful for monitoring posts, mentions, keywords, and hashtags in real time. By using this tool, you can track any hashtag that's relevant to your brand or interests. To set up a hashtag stream, click on Add Stream. You'll then be prompted to select the social network where you want to do your hashtag tracking. This could be your favorite platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. After selecting the network, choose either search or hashtag depending on the platform you're on. Enter the specific hashtag you want to follow, making sure to include the hashtag symbol, such as hashtag marketing tips. After entering the details, click Add Stream. Voila, you now have a stream that shows all public posts using your chosen hashtag in real time. With your stream set up, it's time to focus on monitoring and engaging with the content that appears. Watch the hashtag stream carefully for several things: mentions of your brand, any competitor activity, and even trending discussions that you might want to join. Hootsuite makes it easy to engage right from the platform. You can like, comment, or share posts directly. This streamlined process is great for maintaining active and immediate interactions with your audience. As your hashtag collection grows, organizing can save you time and increase efficiency. Create a separate tab just for hashtags so that you can monitor several simultaneously without mixing them up with other streams. Consider grouping related hashtags on a single stream if they share common themes or purposes. This can enhance your tracking insights. Finally, let's talk about analyzing hashtag performance. Navigate to Analytics, then select the social network you'd like the data for. You'll have access to crucial metrics like post volume using the hashtag engagement rate, and you can even identify top posts and influencers. Use these insights to refine and optimize your social media strategies, adapting them to make the most out of your campaigns. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to tracking hashtags on Hootsuite. With these steps, you'll be well equipped to optimize your social media